Hey class, it's our chapter 6 homework. Now it's only 16 questions, and this is our uh, consumer purchasing strategies, getting value and price comparisons, along with buying one of our bigger assets or utilizing one of our bigger assets, which is a motor vehicle, so the buy versus lease. So let's get into it. Question 1. We've got the following data. We want to calculate what's the financial decision based on this data that would benefit us most. So we need to look at total cash outflows of buying versus lease. And buying would be $23,680. We get that from $4,000 down payment, $560 loan payments times 48 months, and But we also get $72,000 when we're able to sell, or $7,200 at the end of the loan that we could potentially sell that car for. The lease, we do have the down payment of $1,200. We have $440, so a little bit less of lease payments. And then end of lease charges of $600. Don't get caught, however, adding anything else into there, like a deposit for a lease, because that would not be a charge, but the opportunity cost lost would be. Two, we have another buy versus lease cost comparison, and this is where we do get the security deposit. Notice that you don't have the security deposit explicitly in there. It's only the interest or opportunity cost lost at a 4% rate that we could have earned. So same process. For purchasing, we're putting $1,500 down, $450 times 48 months minus our $4,000 end of loan value, and then the down payment, because it is an upfront cost, does have some opportunity costs in there as well. The lease, on the other hand, has $450 of lease payments and 36 months, so then we have $600 end of lease charges and not $500 of opportunity cost. Here's into our getting more value. We have class action lawsuits. So this is if you plan not to sue yourself. This is only if you are part of a class action. So this is a simple division. 4, service contract, looking at future value. We've gone through that. 5, Sally has a major problem with the product, and others have had the same problem. So this is where hundreds or thousands of you will sue on the basis of the same thing. It usually does not cost you a thing. Lawyers do that on contingency, and if they win, they get a big portion of the earnings. But if they don't win, you're not out anything either. 6, if a person has $58 a month using coupons, here's our future value, just illustrating our savings. 7, most products come with some sort of guarantee of quality, which is usually is written form. Written is the express or expressed warranty. And just so you know, it can be full or limited, but it is express is the written form for both of those. 8, most products come with some guarantee. We're going through it again. This is the warranty covers the product's intended use and basic understanding. So that's implied warranty. And those implied warranties are things like the warranty of merchantability, so it does what it says it's supposed to do, so it toasts bread if it's a toaster, and the warranty of title, so if you're selling that toaster, you actually have the right to sell it. 9, the price of a leased vehicle. Also, that is the capitalized cost. 10, 32-ounce package, so the per unit pricing. If it's selling for $10.50, we just divide it 32 into 10.5, we get 32.81 cents per ounce. 11, that's what we just did, unit pricing. 12, we've got operating costs of a motor vehicle, which are the variable costs we have to get from using our gasoline. So we have to take our miles per gallon into our annual mileage, and then our average price of gas of $3.50 per gallon, oil changes, and then parking tolls. And then fixed ownership, we don't forget that depreciation, and interest, insurance, and licensing. So to get that gasoline cost, all we would do is we'd say, okay, well, we've got driving 13,200 miles per year. We get 24 gallons per mile, or miles per gallon. So we divide 13,200 by 24, and then we multiply those gallons by 350. 13, this is the process used to settle grievances that are non-binding. This is where you argue to a third party, and if you don't like it, you can still go to court. This is mediation. The binding process, which is in an upcoming question, is called arbitration. 14, this would be comparing costs, so cost of credit versus cash. So we just have to say, okay, well, $35 a month times 24 months plus the $60 down payment minus our $685 gives us a difference of $215. Is that worth it? 15, a vehicle lease has several costs. The interest rate of that equation is called the money factor. And 16, an online buying club offers you a discount. So if you have a 10% discount on all brand items, how much would you save to buy the cost of the membership? So you'd have to buy $1,650 just to cover the $165 that it costs to be a member of whatever Sam's Club or some purchasing club that allows you to do that.